Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money to a Wise account in Japan. This tutorial is for complete beginners. You don't need any previous knowledge of Wise, and you don't need a bank account linked. This video is for educational purposes only. Wise is an international money transfer service. It allows people to send, receive, and hold money in different currencies. Instead of using traditional banks, Wise lets you receive money digitally in your Wise account. Wise is used in many countries, including Japan. Yes, Wise works in Japan. A Wise user in Japan can receive Japanese yen, also called JPY. However, Wise is not a traditional Japanese bank, so the way you receive money depends on how the sender is transferring it. How to transfer money to a Wise account in Japan. Method 1. From another Wise user. This is the easiest method. If the sender also has a Wise account, the transfer is very fast. The sender opens their Wise app, taps on Send Money, enters the recipient's email address or phone number linked to Wise, chooses Japanese yen, and confirms the payment. The money is instantly added to the recipient's Wise balance in Japan. Method 2. International transfer to Wise. This method is used when the sender is in another country. The sender opened Wise, selects Send Money, chooses Japanese yen, and enters the recipient's Wise details, such as email or account information provided by Wise. After payment is completed, the money is deposited into the Wise account in Japan. Method 3. Using a Wise payment link. Wise also allows users to share a payment link. The sender opens the link, enters the amount, and completes the transfer. This is useful when you don't want to share bank details. To receive money in a Wise account in Japan, you need a verified Wise account, a Wise email address or profile, and a Japanese yen balance enabled. You do not need a Japanese bank account just to receive money in Wise. Transfer fees and speed depend on the sender's country. Always double-check the recipient details before sending money. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.